Yes, you have to brief them. जी.
मैम आप चॉक एंड डस्टर में काम कर रही है, आप इसमें एक मराठी टीचर का रोल प्ले कर रही है, तो इसके पहले भी आपने मराठी टीचर का रोल किया था?
मुझे लगता है इस पे मराठी होने पे इतना ज़्यादा गौर नहीं दिया जा रहा है. इम्पॉर्टेंट बात यह है कि चॉक एंड डस्टर हमारे देश में टीचर्स की जो कंडीशंस हैं उसके बारे में फ़िल्म है, लेकिन ये एक विद इन द कमर्शियल मेन स्ट्रीम में ये फ़िल्म बनाई गई है. इंटरेस्टिंग तौर से बनाई गई है और मुझे ये उम्मीद है कि ये जब फ़िल्म आएगी तो हम सब लोग अपने जो रिश्ते हैं अपने टीचर्स के साथ जो कहीं खो गए हैं उसके ऊपर विचार करेंगे.
Did it take you back in time about any of your teachers? Did you remember something, a relationship with your favorite teacher?
I used to have very many favorite teachers. None of them were like the person that I play, but I have a bhabi who's an actress called Sulbha Arya, and very closely I have based my character on Sulbha Arya.
We've also seen previously, films like Tare Zameen Par, Stanley Kadar, which also some way focuses on a teacher-student relationship. How different is this film going to be, and what is going to be it highlighting?
I want to emphasize that Chalk and Duster is within the mainstream cinema and it's got a lot of entertainment and it's a human story that is being told about these two teachers, one of them played by Juhi Chawla and one played by me, and what they have to go through because of the machinations of a character played very ably by Divya Datta. So I think it will be a film that will provide entertainment and food for thought.
Experience with working with Juhi Chawla?
This is the first time that I'm working with Juhi. In fact, I have to confess that I've done this film because of Juhi's passion and commitment to it. At one point, I used to find her so involved because I used to keep asking, "Are you the producer of the film?" So I've very rarely seen this kind of commitment from an artist, and I think it will augur very well for the film.
And we hear that it was on your request that Rishi ji chose to do a cameo. What was your reason to, request him for this particular cameo?
Well, this is a very important sequence in the film. It is a quiz contest that is going to test the abilities of the two teachers played by Juhi Chawla and me. Teachers who have been removed from their school because they've been called outdated and incompetent. We needed a person with gravitas and we needed a person with personality to be able to conduct this quiz contest, also with a certain amount of charm. And who better than Rishi Kapoor? Now, because the directors and producers didn't directly know Rishi Kapoor, I called him. He and Neetu have been friends of mine for many, many years now. And I called him up and I said, "I'd like to speak to you." And within the hour, he was at my house. And he said, "Haan, batao." So when I told him, he said, "Leh, itni choti si baat." I thought it was something very serious that you were going to talk to me about. And of course, I'll do it. And then after that, there were no questions from his side at all. And he's here shooting. He's really been very wonderful. And I'm very, very indebted to him. Thank you.
The negative character, which you said that initially you were a little apprehensive, but later on, once you got immersed in the role, you really enjoyed it. Talk us through it.
You've done your homework very well, I must say. Well, yeah, I was a little apprehensive कि पहली बार negative role कर रही हूँ, वो भी शबाना जी और जूही के साथ में, जो मेरे बहुत favorites हैं, and they've really pulled my leg enough for being nasty to them. But I guess जब आप when you get into the groove, जब आप scene में घुसते हैं, तो then you try to find the layers of the negative character, and I think that for me has been something new, as well as something I haven't done before. So I thoroughly enjoyed being as subtly negative as possible, and I think it's turned out really well.
I mean, today's time, what is the scene of a relationship between a student and a teacher as such? I mean, कितना अच्छा है, कितना बुरा है? What do you recommend on it?
आजकल की मसरूफ़ ज़िंदगियों में I think what happens is everyone gets so engrossed in their own lives. What we do forget is people who really, gave us the platform to learn. And I think what the best thing this film is going to do is the first thing you will do after watching this film is call your teachers.
Any of your principals that you remember and said, let's take a little cue from there, any of their personalities?
You will not believe, Pehli, after years, my principal from a school, she's a nun, she called me, and in sheer respect, I just got up from my chair. She called me from Ludhiana, and I was sitting in my house. I was like, "Good evening, sister." So it was like, I don't think you ever get over your school days. You always with them will be your student. You'll never grow out of it, and I think that's the best thing. जो आपके बचपन के दोस्त होते हैं, जो आपकी टीचर्स होती हैं, वो आप जो मर्जी बन जाएं लाइफ में, they will be always holding that place in your life.
What was the best part about shooting Chalk and Duster, according to you?
I think the sheer pleasure of working with such amazing actors, and I've had some amazing face-off scenes with Shabana ji and Juhi, and I've thoroughly enjoyed being nasty. And Rishi ji playing a guest appearance, again a thorough pleasure. And उनके anecdotes सुन के उनके साथ shoot करके so spontaneous, बहुत मज़ा आता है. And yeah, I'm sad we're going to finish the film soon, but I'm glad it's going to release soon as well.
Divya, since you're an artist yourself, I'm sure you're aware of, Shiv Sena targeting Pakistani artists, prohibiting them from promoting their films. Since you're an artist yourself, what are your viewpoints on the same?
I guess these are phases which keep coming and going. It's always action, reaction to things, but I think it's always temporary, and art, I think, always is above everything else, and it'll settle down soon, I'm sure.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.